In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix Instagram Reels videos not playing in less than 1 minute. Yes, in less than 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So, the first way is you have to open the Play Store on your phone and then search for Instagram like this, click on it, and then go to this green option. If you found this green option, then you have to click on it, especially if it says update. That's mean you don't have the latest version, and this may be the problem why the videos are not playing for you. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now here it will show you all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do is wait a few seconds, it will start loading. Scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, and then on this page go down to the power usage details. Click down here on this force stop option, make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled, and then go back, click on force stop, and that's it. Reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.